Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow usage data access permission in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and from here click on special access. Now here in special access, scroll down and click on usage data access. Now here you will be able to view all the apps that can use the usage data access permissions. So if you want to deny the app to use the usage data access permissions, then turn off its button. And if you want to allow the app to use the usage data access permission, then tap on its button to turn it on. So with these buttons you can allow or don't allow usage data access permissions in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.